Ready to race. And the race is on. Yes, Papa. Jet Setter Slim Danori inside is swerte lang. In this favorite, the favorite was racing on the outside. Swerte lang by Hapaland followed by Jet Setter Slim in this favorite. In Lorky is racing in 4 by some 2 lengths. Yes, Papa. Big Pocket Ace Conveyance. Passing the half-mile pole, swerte lang by some 2 lengths followed by Jet Setter Slim. In this favorite is racing third by some 3 lengths in Lorky. Yes, Papa, Big Pocket Ace Conveyance. Rounding the far turn, swerte lang, Jet Setter Slim getting closer in second. In this favorite, the favorite is racing third by some 3 lengths in Lorky. As they race the last 450, swerte lang, still leading by some 2 lengths, Jet Setter Slim. In this favorite, sorry outside, Big Pocket. And nearing the finish line, swerte lang, Jet Setter Slim is sorry outside. In this favorite and Big Pocket, swerte lang, Jet Setter Slim is sorry outside, but swerte lang. And finally, swerte lang, Jet Setter Slim in this favorite. Big Pocket, Sing Lorgy, close, Ace Conveyance. Yes, Papa.